Okay, so this is mock foundation question 4. So this says the overall stopping distance of a car is made up of two parts, thinking distance and braking distance. The table shows the thinking distance and the braking distance for a car travelling at 20 meters per second. So we've got the thinking distance is 12 meters and the braking distance is 40 meters. Use the equation time equals distance divided by speed to find the thinking time for a driver. Okay, so the thinking distance is 12 meters and the thinking speed, or the speed that this question set, is at 20 meters per second. So to ensure we get spot on answer, let's use a calculator. So we've got 12 divided by 20 is 0.6 seconds. So that's the time it takes the driver to see the hazard before he actually puts his foot on the brakes. Okay, so we've got part B, use one word or phrase from the box above to complete each empty box in the following table. Some boxes have been completed for you. Okay, so if you've got poor brakes, then the effect on thinking distance is no change, but it does increase the braking distance and therefore increases the overall stopping distance. If you're driving under the influence of alcohol, then that will affect your thinking distance. Okay, so it will increase, it will be longer before you respond. The effect on braking distance, to some extent, depends on the driver. So in some cases, it will increase the braking distance if they don't hit the brake pedal properly. Or equally, it could be no change, because once your foot's on the brake, then it's up to the vehicle to do the stopping, not you. Okay, so that's an either or, that one. Driver drives at a lower speed. So if you're driving more slowly, okay, then that would decrease your thinking distance. It would also decrease your braking distance. Because both of those are being decreased, then overall we see a decrease in the stopping distance. On a wet road, the condition of the road doesn't affect the driver directly, so there would be no change on the thinking distance. However, the braking distance would increase, so overall the stopping distance would increase. Okay,